Ooh, yes. Alright, another video with unboxing. I'm not very sure the title of this video yet because there's a lot of stuff need to unbox tonight. It's already 2 a.m. in the morning. I just wait or read the title and see what I got here. I'm not really sure what inside. So let's do an unboxing. Okay, this one from China. I ordered from China. Probably some props that I've been wanting to use for my production. Let's see. You guys see that? I think I know. But yeah, I didn't know. Yes, I've been waiting for this. Ooh, the sound. Where to open it? Where to open it? Yes. Alright. Okay, you guys see. What's so hard? Oh, that side. I thought from this side. It's some little ice. Okay, let's see. I bought it a lot for this one. Because I need for my product. Yeah. If somebody knocks my room tonight, you smokes. What you doing with this ice? Where do you got them? You still them? Oh, this one extra small. This one is small. And I did order bunch of ice cube, acrylic ice cube. Don't worry, I'm gonna put this the links to these stores in China. Apparently it's good quality, but it's not realistic a lot. But it's okay with the price. It's cheap. It's cheap, really cheap. Alright, let's put that aside. Yes, I've been wanting for this too. We go one by one. Alright, so from the top. That's why it's found like that. Okay, from this store I bought 4 items. Okay, the first one as you guys saw just now is the ice, this small diamond ice, like cracked ice or small diamond. So this one makes something more realistic, not something that's just this big, because I bought this years ago. Just not make sense. It's just big cubes. There's no small cubes, so I'm gonna mix it up with this. So I'm gonna pick this up and show you guys. And I'm gonna make a lot of noise in the middle of the night. My sister gonna peace. Ooh, I'm not sure you guys can see this or not. Is it focusing? Focusing? No, it's not focusing. Why? Yeah, that's the small diamond. Oh yes, but I got a lot of them, bunch of them. So I'm gonna use this screenshots. This one is for sure is screenshot. This one I'm not sure. I haven't seen this or tried this ever yet. So this is my first time. So how about we put them inside first, then we go to the next item. It drops. Oh, damn it. Okay. I'm gonna clean this afterwards. And it's a mess in my room tonight. Alright, the second one is this. How can I open this? Oh, inside. I bought a lot. Yes. Can you focus? Did it focus? Yeah, you focus. Yeah, this is the eyes. This big. Focus my face, is it? Alright, good. So I got a bunch of them. Focus please. Yes. I got a lot. So this is gonna be useful for my drink shot of Cokes or something like Pepsi or coffee, something like that. Or even Splash. Yeah. If you guys want to see those product shot using this, stay tuned. Click the like button and subscribe button and the bell button. Here or here, I'm not sure. Alright. So the third one is fake newspaper. Yeah. Fake newspaper, the New York Times, blah 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 blah. I don't think this one can be used for Shutterstock. Yeah, some of these props I'm using I bought it for Shutterstock. Apparently this one, yeah, is the New York Times and Donald Trump's and politicals and what else? US presidents, then Green Orange America World Cup reversal. So this was gonna be used for Shutterstock content because it can, but under editorial category. If possible, I want to use the free royalty image that I can still be used for my product shot, commercial shot. This is great. I've been waiting for this also. But the last not least, I was waiting for this. This is acrylic glass, quite thick. If you can see. I bought these two, so this one is really good for shadow, and you put some props on it, or even using making color palettes for lipsticks, foundation. So this is good, but I'm not sure. Let me check. A bit disappointed. I'm not sure. Maybe not. Maybe yes, because it's a bit thick and not fully transparent. I was hoping it's really transparent and clear. It's only clear on the side, as you guys can see, but this side is not that clear. So okay, it's really good, but not what I expected. Out of 10, I give this a 7. Yeah, I give this a 7. One deduct because of the bubble and the scratch on this stuff. So if I'm using aperture 11, this can be seen. So that's the problem. The second is because it's not fully transparent. The third point why I deducted is not. It's not. What you call it? It's not what I expected. It's good, but can be used, but need to learn how to use it. Alright, very okay. That's the box unboxing for this box. Wait for more. If you want to watch some tutorials or more unboxing, let's go to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.